Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor. And if you are CMA Inter or CMA final student and are going to give your exams in June 26th, then listen to me very carefully. Today's video is not some motivation, but it is a direction. And yes, I'm saying this very clearly and very responsibly. I can guarantee you positive results if you do what I'm going to tell you in this particular video. Not because I control the exam, but because I understand how ICMAI evaluates answers and why students fail even after studying a lot. So watch this video till the end, and this video can definitely and genuinely save an attempt. Now, let me be very honest with you. I cannot guarantee a rank, I cannot guarantee an exemption, and I cannot magically change your paper. But what I can guarantee is that if you follow the process I'm going to share, you will see more confidence, better attempt, higher marks, and a very, very, very strong chance of passing. Because ICMAI is not a luck based exam, trust me on that. It's a process based exam, and most students fail not because of lack of intelligence, but because of some wrong methodology. Now, the biggest mistake which students make is that they believe, okay, I've finished this chapter and I know it. Let me say this very clearly. If you cannot write it in 15 minutes, you don't know it. I repeat, if you can't write a structured answer in 15 minutes, you don't know it. Reading is not studying, highlighting is not preparation, just watching a video is not execution, my dear. ICMAI will not give you marks for your effort, but for the written output that you generate on your exam paper. So from today, change one definition in your mind. Study is not just knowing a certain thing. Study is equal to ability to write a structured answer in 15 minutes. Even if I'm talking about the practical subjects, study is equal to ability to solve a difficult or an easy question within the time limit in a proper step or structured way. So, the first thing that you have to do, the first key takeaway from this particular video is if you have 4 subjects, before going to bed, take out just 15 minutes and pick one question of MQP. I repeat, it's not just a random question that you're picking up. One question of MQP or study material and write or solve it. Do it for 4 days for all the 4 subjects and then repeat and continue this exercise till exams. Just 15 minutes, but this single shift will actually improve your marks by 15 to 20%. Got it? So that's the first thing. Second is a non-negotiable rule is to stick. Actually, choose a resource which you find worthy enough and then stick to it. One trusted source plus 3 intelligent revisions is all that you need. Not those 5 different notes, 3 different PDFs, daily new material from Telegram, some floating from YouTube. No, you don't need that because new material does not increase marks. It only increases confusion and fear. You don't fail because you studied less. You fail because you revised less. ये गलती हर एक बच्चा ऑलमोस्ट किसी न किसी फेज में करता है in the order to study more and more and more. Okay, I should review this material also. Let me go through this also, this also, this also. You actually end up revising. You actually end up not revising what you have studied. So you fail because you revised less. So decide one book. One book, that means one collection of or one set of books or one set of notes. Trust it, revise it again and again. Revision is going to create memory. New material will only create anxiety. Now, if I talk about 3 successful revisions, actually it should look like the first revision, calm reading plus marking and everything. Second, compressed revision, where you reduce the pages to 3, 4, or maybe charts, right? And the third revision is a super quick read followed by reviewing questions and more questions and more questions. Okay? Got it? Because at the end of the day, you have to attempt a paper in a question where you don't know because you're revising well, तो जो भी आप पढ़ोगे ना वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से आएगा, right? You'll be able to end up delivering that really well. But if there is a question that you don't know, then also don't leave it blank. Maybe partially correct, well structured answer is always better than a no answer. ठीक है, तो कुछ तो लिखना है. Now, the two things are clear. The third one is to master the ICMAI zone. If you want positive results, you must study what ICMAI prefers and not what looks fancy. Your real syllabus is your past year question papers, your RTP, your MTPs, I would say, or MQPs, the recent that we call, right? वो है आपका study material questions. That is your syllabus. So if a topic is repeated again and again, that is not coincidence, but that's priority. And that's going to give you confidence if you solve it, if you do it. So ask yourself कि यार कौन से क्वेश्चंस हैं जो बार बार पूछे जाते हैं, which are repeatedly maybe framed in a case based question, or they are repeatedly twisted, which numericals are being asked multiple times. Prepare those areas deeply. तो जब आप रिवाइज कर रहे हो ना, in every revision, whenever you are revising a particular chapter, you have to focus on FAQs always. देखो, I completely agree that lately Institute has been asking a lot of new questions in every attempt, but a major chunk is repetition, which you should make your strength. ठीक है, तो पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा रूल क्लियर है. एंड नाउ द लास्ट रूल, minimum consistent commitment. What is that, ma'am? Trust me, you don't need a 10-hour study day every day. ठीक है, जस्ट बिफोर एग्जाम्स अनडाउटेडली आपको थोड़े ज़्यादा स्टडी आवर्स डालने होते हैं, जितने ज़्यादा आप डाल सको उतना अच्छा है. बट उससे भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है इज द डेली कंसिस्टेंसी दैट यू नीड. सो फिक्स वन रूल. इवन इफ यू हैव a very bad or a worse day, you have to study for at least 2 focused hours. No excuses, no negotiations. This is absolutely not negotiable because consistency is actually going to build your confidence. ठीक है, और कॉन्फिडेंस एग्जाम हॉल में दिखेगा. अभी दिखे ना दिखे, अभी लगेगा यार डर लग रहा है, तो नर्वसनेस से भी कॉन्फिडेंस निकल रहा है. दैट्स एक्चुअली गोइंग टू शो इन द एग्जाम हॉल. मोटिवेशन आता जाता रहता है. डिसिप्लिन इज व्हाट विल कैरी यू टिल June 26, and that I have told you n number of times. तो June 26 सिर्फ और एक अटेम्प्ट नहीं है. इट कैन बी द अटेम्प्ट वेयर यू स्टॉप डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ. इट कैन बी द अटेम्प्ट वेयर थिंग्स आर फाइनली मेकिंग सेंस. इट कैन बी द अटेम्प्ट वेयर यू कैन कन्वर्ट योर हार्ड वर्क इनटू रिजल्ट्स. But only when you stop preparing randomly and start preparing strategically. So let me say this one last time. Follow one source, revise smartly, practice writing, and stay consistent. I guarantee positive results. Marks will definitely improve, your confidence will rise, and your chances of becoming and passing will actually become real. So if you're serious about June 26, comment ready below and let everyone know that you are going to work towards those little changes that I have mentioned, those little shifts, and magically transform your results. You can also save this video and come back whenever you feel lost, because ये एक motivation session नहीं था. This is a roadmap. Trust me, छोटी minute changes हैं. Those minute shifts can actually magically transform your results. So all the best, and I believe you can do this.